can my car be repossessed if I don't carry insurance on the car? It's a good question, but it's a question that should not even be a question because of course if you're driving a vehicle, you should have insurance. But if you don't have insurance and you're worried about this, I'm going to answer that question for you. And the answer is yes, it can. Let's talk about how and why. First, let's talk about from a legal standpoint with the police. If you ever get pulled over, if you've ever gotten pulled over, you know that the policeman is always going to ask for your registration and your insurance. If you don't have either your registration or your insurance, let's talk specifically about insurance in this case, the police officer will give you a ticket for driving without insurance. The first offense, it's usually just a ticket and a fine, but if that happens repeatedly, it depends on the state. At that point, they will revoke your license and they could suspend the registration on your vehicle. Many times as well, if you're caught the second or third time driving a vehicle without insurance, they will take that vehicle from you and they will impound it in the storage yard, and you will not have that vehicle until you can prove that you do have insurance. That's the first scenario. The second scenario is with your financing company. If you do have a lease on your vehicle, and absolutely they will repossess your vehicle if you do not carry adequate insurance on that vehicle. In almost every single lease agreement or purchase finance agreement that you have when you purchase a vehicle, it specifically states in there you must carry this insurance and this insurance and this insurance with these specific limits. And then it says if you do not carry this specific insurance, we have the right to come back and take that vehicle from you. And they will. So it is written into your contract. Again, if you have a loan or if you're leasing the vehicle, yes, they can and they will repossess the vehicle because that is on them, right? They still have a financial obligation to that vehicle. If that vehicle is stolen or vandalized or wrecked, they're on the hook for that. So they want to make sure that there's proper insurance so that in the event something happens, the vehicle can be replaced or repaired, and they're not going to be out the money that they loaned to you. So as I said in the beginning, you have your answer now. Yes, it can be, but it shouldn't even be a question because if you're driving, do the responsible adult thing and carry insurance on your vehicle. If you have any questions, post them below. I'll be more than happy to answer them, and I will see you all in the next video.